like a tangible tidbit that I might offer is to, kind of wake up and consider 3 things that you're grateful for, and then find a way to do something selfless for someone else, whether it's just checking in on someone saying, hey, how you doing? Or a friend be like, hey, I heard you had a paper due and hope it's going all right. Just a simple little text like that, or a note on social media to someone, or even an email, whatever it is, or checking on a next door neighbor and be like, hey, you need anything? I'm running out to the store. Doing a good deed for someone else. Like, again, those 2 small things right there, a gratitude and doing something for someone else, is going to get you in a mental place where you're more likely to take it easy on yourself.
A lot of the time, we're way too critical on ourselves, and we hold ourselves to this ridiculous standard or category or something like that, something or the other, in the sense that, like, if we're not doing something, we feel like we're being useless. And the more I come to realize that is a very unhealthy state to just constantly trying to be on.
Obviously, I'm quite busy. Like, I have a full-time job that's really demanding and requires more than 40 hours a week, and I'm taking 2 grad classes. And this is my first semester. So we're only a few weeks in, but I think having the structure that I already had has been really helpful. So I prioritize working out. I'm a morning person, so I try to do it first thing in the morning. But I think that the key is to fit it in wherever you can, and I always schedule it. Especially right now, because I am so busy, particularly on the weekends with school. I try to schedule like catch-up time with my friends while we're working out, whether it's like going for a run or going to a yoga class, and I think making it part of your daily routine is really important. And sometimes I don't work out. Like sometimes, like today, I was like, I think I need a break. I think it's important to listen to your body.
One of the most important things for me in master's school was learning to turn off. So I had check-in and a check-out time. So I wouldn't work earlier than 7, wouldn't work later than 8, kind of stuff. But setting those boundaries, so to give myself that personal space.
Just reinforcing, being very aware of where you are, and not get out of the mode of social comparison. And we tend to look at the person to our left and right, and if we think we're better positioned than the person on our left, but we see the person to our right as someone that we might aspire to be, we tend to kind of get down on ourselves, and it really affects our self-esteem, and it might demotivate us. And so if you catch yourself doing the social comparison, especially in a pandemic where we have other stressors going on and we're really out of sorts and out of sync, that's a really dangerous road to go down, because it just puts you in a really negative mindset and context. So I would just lend that maybe we should remove as much social comparing as we can, and give yourself a break. And we're all doing okay, and everyone, this is a self-paced, we're all just progressing at our own pace, and as long as we're making a little strides each day, we're moving in the right direction.
And I think prioritizing yourself, like no one's going to do that but you. You've got to make yourself a priority, and you're worth it. No one else takes care of you but you. And I think that's really important for everybody to remember.